Mehmet Kızgın, a Turkish young man, chose China to pursue his higher education, and after graduation from Xiamen University, he set up a stone trading company in Nan'an City, East China's Fujian province. When asked why is China, he said, "There are many opportunities in China, and I think it is worth trying to visit the country."
权重还是走个开市的一个城市，那也有害，那各种方面对我来说更有优势，所以我就能说选择过来泉州。
The stone industry is one of the leading industries in Nan'an, which is under the jurisdiction of the city of Quanzhou. Nan'an boasts more than 1,700 enterprises in the stone industry, and the stone trade covers more than 130 countries and regions with an annual turnover of about 20 billion yuan. Mehmet Kızgın has partly attributed his success in business to China's thriving e-commerce and high-performance products.
物价嘛，对我们来说有很大的帮助，我们可以直接达到，就最后是这行业真正用的人，把中介已经取消了，因为大家都可以看一个直播啊、抖音啊，都能看到水的这个地方，各种的打扮、各种的风格、各种的颜色，所以这个对我们来说很大的帮助。还有加上现在的技术，那像中国的技术的话，那个新的机器真的完全不一样，降成本，差不多一颗黄料的话可以降你成本的13%。